The American flowering redbud tree is second only to the flowering dogwood tree in popularity. And like the dogwood tree, the redbud tree can be planted as an understory tree and will even survive underneath the shade of a pine tree and the massive root system of the pine trees. The colors vary from pink to purple flowers on the redbud tree and are small but pleasingly fragrant and will densely encircle the branches and even encircle the trunk of the redbud tree before the leaves appear in the early spring at the same time that dogwood trees begin flowering. The green leaves of the redbud tree are large and heart-shaped, and in the fall the leaves turn into a glowing yellow. One redbud cultivar named Forest Pansy has reddish-purple leaves that remain highly colored during most of the growing season. For a striking spring garden effect, the redbud is often planted in groups along with groups of white dogwood trees that begin flowering at the same time that redbud flowers appear. Early American settlers found redbud and dogwood trees growing in the forest nearby to plant in their yard to enjoy spring color. President George Washington and Thomas Jefferson loved redbud trees and extensively planted them on their Virginia estates. The redbud tree is very cold hardy and will survive in states from Florida to Minnesota. The extra bonus to enjoying redbud flowers is the fact that the tree is a legume and nitrogen-fixing bacteria growing near the roots add the fertilizer element nitrogen to the soil. Bible scholars claim that the redbud tree was the hanging tree chosen by Judas Iscariot, who committed suicide after betraying Jesus, and therefore the tree is also known as the Judas tree.